Oh, didn't see you there. Welcome to the first episode of Let's Make Something! Today, after doing some extensive research, I've decided to make one of these. These seem to be the cool thing. At least I missed it by a few months, but that's okay. So let's make one of these cool thingies. So right here we have some fidget spinners by 2robotguy on Thingiverse. Let's download all those files. Let's just take this and move it on platform in the center. Okay, so let's do extruder. Let's do the left one. And let's print it. I guess we still have some goop up here. Right there. It's hot. It's about 50 degrees, but just take this goop off. Just put it down there to clean up later. So now, the only thing left to do is get printing. Okay, so there we go. Got a fidget spinner printed. Now, time to get the toolkit out. Boom, fidget spinner. Okay, so Sparky! Okay, so we have the fidget spinner right here. But the only problem is we don't really have ball bearings, like right now. So I think this is pretty good right now. I want to print some more of these and then go from there. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have these fidget spinners. We don't have ball bearings, so I don't have any use for these because I kind of already have a fidget spinner right here. So I'm just gonna give these away. If you live out of the US, it costs too much, so I'm not gonna send it out of the US, sorry, unless you pay for shipping. But leave a comment below if you want a 3D printed fidget spinner shell. I'll give away all three, I guess. So yeah, fidget spinners. Shoot. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll be announcing the winners in like 5 days. You have 1 school week. Go. So yeah, fidgeting.